Hey guys, in this lesson, I'm going to show you how you could buy the cryptocurrency Ethereum. So I'm going to use Coinbase as the example, just like the Bitcoin lesson, as it's quick, easy, and effective to use. So once you have a verified account with Coinbase, you simply deposit some euros, US dollars, pounds, whatever your currency is into the platform itself. And then you either buy Bitcoin or you buy whichever cryptocurrency you want. In this example, Ethereum, I go to the top right-hand side and then I click the buy sell button. And then in this account, I want to go to buy Ethereum. I'm going to click Ethereum. This money to buy Ethereum is going to be taken out of my GBP wallet, which is on my Coinbase platform, not from my bank account. I've already transferred it from my bank account to Coinbase, and now I'm going to buy Ethereum from my GBP account on my Coinbase. And then it says here, I can buy up to £7.94. So for this example, I'm going to just purchase £7, which is a one-time purchase to buy Ethereum from my GBP wallet. I press preview buy, and it will give me the transaction details of that plus Coinbase's fee. I press buy now. I let it do its work, and you're going to see in a moment my portfolio balance is going to change. There you go. It changed to the amount of Ethereum that I've purchased. And that, guys, is how you purchase Ethereum.